Hi guys, today I'll be unboxing the iPhone 17 Pro Max in Cosmic Orange. So you can see we've got the iPhone logo on the sides, the logo at the back. You've got all the details about this iPhone. I purchased the iPhone 17 Pro Max in 1 terabyte storage. So let's go ahead and open it. I can feel that the strips are a little bit more solid. I think they've changed it. I think the previous safety strips used to be a little bit more thinner, but now they've just made it a bit more thicker, which is a little bit more susceptible to fake counterparts. Now let's open it up. Well, there you have it. That looks really nice. It's exactly the color I thought it would look like in real life also. Now what I'm going to do in this video is not only I show you not only is it just the unboxing, but I'm going to put on a privacy glass also before I actually strip the front cover off. So there you go. So I'll just put the privacy cover on, but for now I'll put it aside. So what you have in the box is the USB-C charging cable. I'm not going to open these guys because I already have too many of these to use. I'm just going to save this. And you've got the new style of the rear camera platform. Okay, so for the first time it's got a rectangular shape, and the glass area is two-toned here at the back, and this is made out of aluminum versus I've got an iPhone 15 which I'll make a video sometime later on. Subscribe to see that video, and I'll compare it because I'll compare the size also in that, but in the titanium it used to overheat a bit, and this has got some sort of a new vapor chamber which allows for better cooling, and also it's made out of aluminum which allows for dissipation of heat. So I'm just going to quickly, before I show you the rest of this video, I'm just going to quickly put on this screen cover. So I'm going to be putting on the Magic John 3rd generation screen cover. Just going to quickly open that up. So this has got the privacy glass, so it's something that helps out so no one can actually view into your phone. So you get two of these in this, two covers. One's already in here and one you can save for later. Hopefully I won't need to install the other one. Some instructions. I won't need to actually clean it because as soon as I remove the actual cover of that, I'll just apply the... Okay, so I'll just put the phone in there, and I suppose you just close it up. There's the screen. Okay, all right, so here we go. Let's take that off. Let's take this off, put this on, and that should be that. And let's lift it up and give it a bit of a rub. Just let the air bubble out, and then let's strip this off. Let me just see if it's all done properly. Okay, that's about right. Now, I can show you guys this phone. Now, I've come up from the 15 Pro Max, so some of the features here, the 16 Pro Max also received, but they've just finer tuned it more in the 17 Pro Max. So as usual, you get your speakers and your USB-C charging port. This has now been upgraded to a higher amount of charge. You can, I think it's up to now 35 watts, if I'm not mistaken, 30 or 35 watts. The aluminum feels very nice on the hand, but not that I usually, have my phone like this. It's always in a case cover. You've got your on and off. You've got your this to do with your camera, where you can use it as a slider. Swipe it, left to right, do your zoom in and out. So you've got that. You have your volume up and down. You've got your option button where you can assign any one of the chosen options to this button. So if you want your flashlight to be on, or if you want anything else to be assigned to that button, you can assign that. Over here is the biggest changes, which is you still get your camera, but then you've got this now 48 megapixels, and then you've just got a wider camera. Now what I've heard is that the battery takes most of this part down here, and on top is where all the electronics are which run this phone, and that's about it, guys. So there's not much else in the box. That's it, just your charger and your iPhone 17. Now I'm gonna be uploading a video soon regarding my next video will be about using this case cover, which is the Mag Easy. This is the Odyssey Ultra M. This is the Ultra version, which you get even bigger bumps on the edge to protect your phone. So watch out for that video. I'll upload it soon within the next 24 hours. Now, if this video helped you out in any which way, or if you even like this video, can you please subscribe to the channel? It's a new channel. Your subscription will definitely help me out, guys. I can make more videos like this. But yeah, like I said, if you want to see this cover on there, the Mag Easy Odyssey Ultra M, this is a bad boy, this cover case. So watch out for that video. It should be up soon. All right, thank you for watching.